Hello, good morning, students. Okay, so today, yesterday you have given me some questions, so I have solved it and I have given you already. Okay, so in the morning class, I have given you. Okay, so if you have not seen it, okay, so I will send you again. Okay, so today, so we are going to discuss about two topics. Okay, so four questions I have solved it and I am going to do it. I'm going to write down again. Okay, so it is a little bit difficult to teach it online itself because I need to write down, I need to hold the more a little bit. It is complicated for math subject. Okay, so what I have done, so I've solved the questions and I'm going to so describe all this thing. Okay, so if you have any doubt, any question is there. Okay, so if you don't know anything, so please so in my private chat, okay, so please write down the question number. I will solve you the next day. Okay, so I'll solve it and I'll make a video. Otherwise, I'll make this type of recorded video and I'll solve it. Okay, so please do comment, others do so write down the question number in the private chat. So in the group chat, if you write down, so then I cannot read all that one because so it may be hidden, right? So other teachers can open so there are many messages over there. So the message may be hidden. So that's why. So what you can do it on the day. So you can just write down the question number and just comment me in the private chat. Okay, so the few questions that I'm going to describe you is that. So number one is, okay, last time also we have done this type of question, but it is a little bit modified. Okay, so I'll look at the modified questions. So shopkeeper gains. Gain means what? It is the profit. Okay, gain means profit. So he gains the profit of how much? 5 lemons. 5 lemon ko profit pausa are. Okay, if the selling price was, if the lemon was sold at 25 lemons. Okay, so if the selling price is 25 lemons, okay, so 25 lemon based up here. So 5 or a lemon profit हुन्छ अरे. Okay, that is the question. Right? So rupees is not given. So 25 वटा lemon बेच्दाखेरि 5 वटा lemon फाइदा हुन्छ अरे. Okay, so what is the profit percentage? You need to find out. Okay, so profit percentage find गर्नुपर्ने छ, gain percentage, profit percentage भनेपछि so you need to find out the profit percentage over here. So what is the formula of profit percentage? Profit percentage means profit by CP into 100%. So profit kai, sir. Okay, we got profit as 5 lemons, but where is the value of CP? Okay, do we have the value of CP? No. Okay, that's what we need. We are going to find the value of CP first. CP nikala. Okay, so what is the formula of profit? So profit is going to be SP minus CP. Is it? So profit means SP minus CP. So profit. So profit is given as 5 lemons. Okay, so 5 lemon is the profit. So SP is given 25 lemons and CP we don't know. So let us write on CP like CP ne lekhaun. So when minus sign go, this will be plus. Okay, so when 25 lemons come, this will be minus. So 25 minus 5, it is going to be 20 lemons. So this is going to be the value of CP. Right? So your CP boy, your SP boy, your gain percentage, that is profit amount boy. So let us find out the profit percentage. So profit percentage means profit by CP into 100%. Profit is 5 lemons and CP is given 20 lemons. So lemon will be cancelled. So cancel this one also. So you'll get 25% as the answer. Okay. Sorry. So this is going to be the answer of number 1. Okay, so hope you have understood. So profit percentage nikal means profit by CP. CP was not there, that's why we have found CP. Then we got the answer. Okay, so pause the video if you have not completed. So let me go to the next number. Okay, so this is my favorite question, and this is the important question in class 10 also as well as in class 9 also. Okay, so if a plus b plus c equals to 0, then prove that 1 by a 1 plus x by a, so x power a plus x power minus b. Okay, so these are the questions. Okay, now हामीले पनि यो question गरिसकेको थियो पहिला पनि. Okay, so what we need to do, we need to use this one first. Okay, so यसको value चाहिँ यता हाल्नु पर्ने हुन्छ. So what is there? X a plus b plus c equals to 0. Okay, so a plus b plus c equals to 0. So let us use the last number. What is the last number? C is the last number. Okay, so C is the last number. So C lai rakhne, A ra B lai pataidiu. So plus A becomes minus A, plus B becomes minus B. Okay, C equals to minus A minus B huncha. Okay, so similarly C ko duita value hai, एउटा plus ko एउटा minus ko चाहिन्छ. एउटा plus ko value आयो. Okay, so let us find out the minus value also, negative value also. When plus C goes decidedly minus C, isn't it? So A plus B, look at it, A plus B plus C. So हामीलाई minus C पनि चाहियो, plus C त आयो. minus c पनि चाहियो. So plus c when it go, this will be minus c. This is the value of minus c. So minus c means a plus b. This is the value of plus c, a minus b. भने minus c को value चाहिँ a plus b हुन्छ. Okay. Now, then after that, so let us use this question. Okay, so prove that के prove गर्नु पर्ने छ. So LHS लिने यति part left hand side. So we need to prove that this is going to be RHS times 1 हुन्छ भनेर prove गर्नु पर्यो. So let us use LHS. Right? So LHS use गरौँ. So 1 by this is the question. So you prove that भनेरै आएको थियो question मै आएको थियो. Okay. So just we need to replace c and minus c only. Okay. So c र minus c लाई चाहिँ replace गर्नु पर्यो. So 1 divided by 1, so x plus a plus, if the power is in minus sign, where does it go? It goes down, 1 by x power b. Okay, plus, so 1 again the same thing, x power b plus. Okay, so what I told you, so just replace the value of c. So minus c, where is minus c? Here is minus c. So what is the value of minus c? A plus b. Okay, so replace the value of minus c as a plus b plus. So 1 divided by 1 plus x power. So what is the value of c? Minus a minus b. So x means minus a minus b will be the value of c, isn't it? So c means minus a minus b plus. So x power minus a means x power minus a. Okay, so we don't have the value of a को value छ, c को मात्रै value छ. So minus मा छ भने के जान्छ यो? It goes down. Okay, so मैले यहाँ change गरिन because there is still minus sign over here. Okay, भर्खर त change गरेको. That's why let us change it in the next line. Okay. So let us take the LCM. Okay, यहाँ fraction छ, fraction plus गर्नको लागि minus गर्नको लागि we need to take the LCM. Okay, so let us write down 1. Okay, so let us take the LCM over here. So टक्क line तान्ने x power b is the LCM. Now x power b will multiply this side because there is nothing over here. If there is nothing, let us multiply simply. Okay, so x power b will multiply here. So 1 into x power b, x power b, x power a into x power b, x power a into x power b. Okay, plus 1. Okay, so divide by x power b. Yeah, so if there is nothing in the divide sign, just multiply them. Yeah, already x power b such, so no need to multiply with any number. 1 लेख्ने plus. Okay, there is nothing in the divide sign over here. Divide by के पनि छैन, LCM लिनु परेन, तर यो plus power plus मा छ भने we need to change it into multiply sign. So x power b plus x power a plus b लाई के लेख्ने, x power a into x power b लेख्ने plus. So 1 divided by, so 1 plus. So x power a minus b can be, so if the power is in minus sign, it goes down. 1 by x power a into x power b लेख्ने. Okay, so it goes down, minus sign the plus मा हुन्छ, plus छ भने के गर्ने, into change गर्ने. तर यसलाई पहिला तल लानु पर्यो. 1 divided by x power a into x power b लेख्दिने in plus. So here also power is in minus sign. So if the power is in minus sign, where does it go? It goes down. 1 by x power a. The power minus sign is it goes down. Now, okay, so if there are 3 numbers in the fraction, so this number goes up, so it becomes x power b divided by x power a plus x power a into x power b plus 1 plus. Okay, so 1 divided by same thing I have written over here plus. So let us take the LCM here also, x power a, x power b, x power a. So which one is the biggest power over here? X power a into x power b is the biggest power. Let us use this power. Okay, let us use this one as the LCM. X power a is already here, so x power b is extra over here, so let us use this thing is as LCM. Yeah, so let us multiply the everything. So let us use this one. Okay, multiply over here. So 1 into x power a, x power b, x power a into x power b. Okay, plus both the things are there. No need to write anything. 1 plus x power a is there. What is not there? X power b is not there. So let us multiply with x power b. X power a is there. What is not there? X power b is not there. So let us write down x power b over here. Yeah, that's duita is a number. Duita is a 1 ne lekhne. X power a matlab sa x power b le multiply garne. Again, there are 3 numbers. So what shall you do? Let us reciprocal. L line mathi lane. Right? Ani. Tuck. Let us do it. So let us arrange them. All the alphabets almost they are same. X power b is there, x power b. X power a is there, x power a into x power b is there, x power a into x power b. Okay, so everything is there. तलपट्टि सबै मिल्छ है. अब LCM मा सबै मिल्छ तर arrange चाहिँ गर्नु पर्यो. Let us arrange in this way. X power b. Okay, यता पनि x power b छ. यता पनि x power b छ. X power b नै लेख्ने. Okay, plus second मा के छ x power a into x power b. Let us write down this one. So you eta pani x power a into x power b. You second ma lekhne. Eta pani x power a, x power b. Okay, so let us write in the second. So third ma 1 छ +1 यता पनि 1 छ +1 लेख्ने यता पनि +1 छ +1 लेख्ने that means LCM सबै सेम हुँदो रहेछ okay if the LCMs are same just write on that one as the LCM त्यसपछि माथिको नम्बर लेखौं x power b plus 1 plus x power a into x power b है now यो ठीक छ यो पनि मिल्छ x power b x power a into x power b यता रहेछ +1 यता रहेछ okay now let us arrange them okay so यो लेखौं माथि यसलाई तलको नम्बरलाई चेन्ज गर्दा पनि भयो माथिको नम्बरलाई चेन्ज गर्दा पनि भयो so both the number must be same okay so the numbers are same just we need to arrange them only okay so यता x power a यो सबै लेख्यो okay अब यही अनुसार मिलाउँ त so x power b is in the first so second is 1 plus 1 let us write on plus 1 and in the third there must be x power a into x power b so let us write on this one so both are same so let us cancel them and the answer is 1 okay and this you are asked to prove isn't it equals to 1 okay so that we have to prove it and we got the answer RHS proof okay so write down below eh? So I don't have space that's why I've written this side is that okay or not okay so if you have any doubt please pause the video and please copy it okay so okay so let me go for the next number 3 okay so in question number 3 there is 1 by something is there okay so this is the question okay okay so this is the question so in this question so let us so here there is no proof that okay so proof that the value is not given that means यहीबाट answer निकाल्नु पर्छ हामीले so no need to panic आत्तिनु पर्ने केही छैन so let us do it so 1 divided by 1 is there plus x power so if the power is in minus sign what shall we do यो जुन पछाडीको power छ so the divide sign हुन्छ that means x power l divided by x power l divided by x power m plus so this will be written as this can be written as x power n divided by x power m so you can similarly plus so if there is minus sign it goes down x power n so if there is minus sign it goes down if there is minus sign minus l it goes down minus l it goes down okay so माथिको plus चाहिँ माथि नै लेख्ने minus चाहिँ मुनि लेख्ने now okay there are again three numbers there is plus sign so let us do the LCM so x power m is LCM over here so nothing is there that's why let us multiply with x power m plus x power l plus x power n okay so there is already x power m so we will multiply with any number so let us write down the same thing okay divided by x power m so यता पनि त्यही लेख्ने nothing is there x power m ले multiply हुन्छ x power m x power l divided by x power n and here also so x power l is LCM so this will multiply this side plus n plus m okay so this is going to be the LCM and if there are three numbers what shall we do let us reciprocal this number माथि जान्छ यो पनि माथि जान्छ है so I've changed this one so it goes up it goes up it goes up if there are three numbers in the fraction then after that now all the LCMs are same look at here so x power m is there here is also x power m there is also x power l okay so let us arrange them x power m x power n x power l okay so you put x power m x power n x power l sub arrange gareko yo third ma so nothing we have done over here so just arrangement only or के पनि गरेको छैन so this and this so this all these three things that means all the denominators are same that means LCM is same right LCM सबै same so let us write down LCM okay now if LCM is same let us write down the same number माथिको same number लेख्दा भयो x power m x power n x power l okay now are the same or not same रहेछ we cannot cancel individually so put the bracket so cancel them as a whole okay so मजाले cancel गर्ने so if they are cancelled the answer is going to be 1 okay so most of the answers okay of this type of question is going to be 1 बुझ्यैन so this is going to be the answer of your question is it okay so if you have not completed please pause the video if you have not understood repeat the video okay so rewind गर्ने अनि हेरौँ फेरि ल so let's go to the next question okay so this one also I have done it on the board last time so it was a little bit tough that's why let me explain you again okay so a few students were absent on that day okay so m power so question number 4 so if x y z a plus 1 equals to 0 then prove that this is the question now so let us use this given x y z plus 1 equals to 0 okay so agi gare jastै we need the positive value of z and negative value of z okay so कसरी निकाल्ने त okay so plus 1 लाई यता पठाइदिउँ minus 1 मा हाल्दिने xyz equals to minus 1 Okay, xyz equals to -1. So what we need to do, we need to find out the positive value as well as negative value of z. So z लेख्ने xy लाई पठाइदिने. So -1 divided by xy, when it goes this side will be divide sign, because multiply sign छ बिचमा x into y into z हो यो भनेको त हैन. There is no plus sign, there is multiply sign. If there is no sign, there is multiply. So when xy go this will be divide sign, so 1 divided by xy. Okay, so this is the value of z. So similarly, अब यो पनि त्यसरी नै गरौँ. So we need to find out the, so we have already found the plus value of z, that is, let us find out the value of minus z also. So अब के गर्ने भन्दाखेरि xy लाई राखौँ, z लाई पठाइदिउँ यसलाई. Okay, so z लाई चाहिँ पठाइदिनु त. So xy equals to -1, है, when z go this will be divided by z. त्यही हो यो. This is also same, this is also same. So +1 has gone this side, +1 has gone this side, it has become -. So यहाँ plus को find गरेको यता minus को find गरेको. So z, let us keep this z this side. So when multiply go this will be divide sign. Multiply that and divide हुन्छ. So 1 divided by z, when multiply go this will divide. Okay. So -1 is there. So we need the negative value. We got negative, but z हैन, 1 by z हैन, हामीलाई z को चाहिँ भ्यालु चाहिने हो. Okay, so z माथि लगाउँ त. So if there is divide sign, power माथि जाँदा के हुन्छ, power मा -1 लाग्छ, because if there is -1 it goes down, isn't it? Okay, so down छ नि यसलाई पनि त माथि लान सकिन्छ. If there is no power, that means there is 1. Okay, so z power 1 हो. So when it goes up, it becomes z power -1. Okay, minus लेख्यो राखौँ. Is it okay or not? Just यता यति बुझ्यो भने अरु सबै सिम्पल छ. Okay, now के भनेछ, prove that this equals to 1. So let us write on the LHS. Let us write on the LHS. Then after that, just we need to replace the value of z. These are the value of z. This is the value of z -1. This is the value of z. Okay. So 1 divided by 1 plus z. Okay, we found z over here. So minus z. We got the value of z. Here is the value of minus z. Okay. So के गर्ने त, z को value हाल्दिने. So the value of z is minus sign छ यता. So that is minus it becomes plus. What is the value of z? The value of z is 1 by xy. 1 by xy. Okay. यता plus भएको भए minus 1 by xy हुन्थ्यो. But there is minus sign over here. So minus के हुन्छ? Plus हुन्छ. That's why we are writing plus over here. So again the power is in minus sign. What shall we do? We need to take it down. So 1 by x हुन्छ यता. And the power, if there is minus sign in the power, it goes down. Plus 1 divided by 1 minus x. Okay, so again there is minus sign over here, it goes down. There is nothing to change because z को change गर्ने हो त. There is no z over here, so let us write on as it is. Plus, so 1 divided by 1 minus y minus, okay, so z, what is the value of z power minus 1? Okay, we got here z power minus 1 means xy. Okay, so we have the value of minus z power minus y, isn't it? Minus z power minus 1. Minus z power minus 1. Okay, so did we have the value of minus z power minus 1 or not? Minus 1 so what is the value? Is there plus or minus sign? There is plus sign, plus xy. So let us write down plus xy minus z power minus 1 ka value plus xy in that. So that's why we are replacing it by plus xy. So if we have understood this much, then we can solve the remaining number. Okay. Now, so take the LCM. So what is the LCM? Because LCM over here, xy is there. Here is x, just x only. So let us write down xy as the LCM. So xy will go this side plus 1. So x is there, what's not there? Y is not there. So let us multiply with y over here. So xy plus 1 plus y in the right side. So y, that is we need to multiply with y. So it becomes 1 becomes y. So x becomes xy because it multiplies both the number and you 1 already, sir. So let us write on 1 only because y is there. Okay, plus 1 minus y plus xy. Okay, so nothing is there in the fraction. So let us write on as it is. So tinta fractions we need to reciprocal the number. Okay, so xy, it goes up. So xy will be there in the numerator. Xy plus 1 minus y. So y will go up. Okay, so y will go up. So y divided by minus x. Okay, so let us arrange according to this one. Okay, so there is xy plus 1 minus y. So let us write down minus xy -1. So there is 1. So let's write an 1 over here. But there is minus sign. Let us write a -1. And so after that, y is there. So let us write an. So what is the sign over here? Plus y, isn't it? So let us write an plus y over here. Plus. Okay. Again, arrange in the similar way. So there's xy. So let us write an xy. So there is +1. So let us write an +1. And there is minus y. So let us write an minus y. Okay. So what you can see over here is that. So we got the same xy 1 1 minus y, but here there is in place of plus there is minus of y minus there is plus sign over here. And you see the difference over here, just this part only. Okay, so then after that, so it goes up, then after that the LCMs are same. Okay, so here sorry. So -1 is there. So how to remove this minus sign? Because we have xy plus 1y. Okay, so you LCM okay, because there is minus sign in here, this plus sign over here. So to change the sign, what we must do? We need to take minus sign as common. Minus sign like common. So plus has become minus sign. If there was minus, let us write on plus. Okay, change the sign. Okay, if you change, so if you take minus sign as common, all the sign is going to be changed. Ani hamro LCM सँग मिल्छ. Okay, so let us take minus sign as common. So minus becomes plus. Milyo. Okay, so -1 becomes +1. Okay, milyo. Okay, यो सँग मिल्यो. So plus y becomes minus y. Is it okay? So okay, this is also okay. That means if you take minus sign as common, all the sign is going to be changed, as well as our LCM is also going to be same. So this is our LCM. And mathiko number if the LCMs are same, let us write on the upper number. And here what we can see is that we get the same, we have the same number, xy is there, and here is y, minus y is there, so minus y, plus 1 is there, plus 1 yata pani cha tara arrange chai chaina, but all the numbers are same. Aba cancel गर्नुको लागि तयार बने. Okay, so either change the upper number or change the lower number. यता मैले तलसँग चेन्ज गरे. Okay, so you can write on